Thank you for joining me today. This is a tutorial for cleaning, really, this is a KWC System 1911 Springer. Specifically, this is the SIG Sauer 1911 GSR that I reviewed. So, from my understanding is that not everybody has access to a cleaning rod. So, this will be a little bit different in that I'm going to try to accomplish this using common household items, or preferably, if you don't have the means to buy a cleaning rod, just beg your parents real nicely, and I'm sure they'll chip in to help you out. I mean, those things are like maybe $5, although without shipping. Anyway, getting on to the video. So, the easiest thing to do for cleaning it is actually not disassembling at all. If you punch out, there goes my vape. Shit. If you punch out the slide, or this fake slide stop here, this is what keeps the frame and the slide together. You can't access damn near any of the hop up, so dismantling it is pointless. So what you're going to do is get a paper towel, preferably a coffee filter because it's less abrasive, although silicone oil, you know what, maybe let me take apart this gun. Let me show you just how much fucking silicone oil they sprayed this damn gun down with. It's a miracle that it even applies hop up to the pellet at all. There's just so much goddamn oil. So punch out this pin with like a pen or similarly stiff object. Oh, okay, so we're gonna punch out that fake slide stop pin, and how we're gonna do that is we're gonna line up. See that little divot right there? We have to line that up with right there. See that? See how the top of the fake slide stop, we'll call that our takedown pin, is lined up there, and then we're gonna, I think some guns, if they're old enough, they might actually be able to get this out just by pressing down on it. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna try to use my thumb there. Okay, and then just gonna push out on that button on the other side that I showed you. You might need a pen or something like that. Holding it there. Oh, shit. Okay, so I'm just going to try to do it from this side here because I'm going to try to figure out. So a better way to do it than I was doing. So what we're going to do is take out the slide pin here, the fake slide catch. Now again, you want to line up the top of the fake slide catch with this divot in the slide here, this little black spot. That's how you want it. So coming back over here, I'm holding it back, not all the way, but pretty close. And I'm going to push out with a pen, this black pin right here. That is going to, oh god, it's rounded off. Okay, I'm not getting anywhere, so, oh, there we go, okay. I'm going to use the tip to move it the rest of the way. So you might want to move it around a little bit. It's hard to see exactly where you're trying to line up the slide stop when you're trying to look at the pin being punched out at the same time. Fuck me. Why does this thing not want to come out? Okay, let's try just pulling it off here. Okay, make sure it's not lined up. Okay. So, I'm wrong. Try pulling on it all the way, and then eventually you'll be able to get it out. Like so. As you can see, mine's rather tight. Take your time with it. Make sure that this is lined up properly, otherwise it might damage that takedown pin. Okay, takedown pin is out. Now we can move on to the cleaning. Oh wait, no, I was just going to show you how dirty it is, so I'm going to fire the slide off. Oh wait, no, I don't have to do that. I'm just going to decock it, and then it's going to come off like so. And then looking into the barrel, hopefully you can see it. Like I said, there's not much that you can... God, is this... Yeah, there's oil on the silicone, or the hop-up packing. You can see it kind of glimmering, and that's not from the surface being shiny, it's from all the oil, so we got to take care of that, otherwise accuracy from this pistol is just going to be unacceptable. Alright, so we're going to put it back together, or you know what, we've already got the damn slide off, so all we have to do now is we need to roll up a joint, an empty joint. I would not advise using a loaded joint for this, and by joint I mean a paper towel. Just going to roll that up here. Now, the barrel's a little bit long, so you might want to roll up a nice long one here. Not really making a roach. So, get the ends all tied up. Like I said, I'm trying to do this out of consideration for people who don't have access to a cleaning rod. So, we're having to use some kind of low-tech methods here, which are just a little bit harder to perform. Alright, you can see I'm making it much thinner now. So if you can't quite get your joint down the barrel, just keep trying to make it smaller, or if it's too small, then just make it just a little fatter. What's really important is that you make sure the tip is rolled up all the way. That way you can actually fit it into the barrel. Doing so, you're going to push it all the way in. Alright, I don't think I made it quite long enough, but... Okay, now I'm going to twist it. Twist it around on the inside. Make sure I try to get as much of that crap out of there as possible. Alright. So I didn't pull too much out there, but then again, this unit's been in the basement for quite a long time, about half a year now. I imagine since it's a spray, it's all just dried up by now, probably all flashed off, but people who buy a newer one or just getting theirs will probably have just a metric fuckload of oil coming out of all corners of the gun. But anyway, repeat that a few times, get a new one with each pass, and then if you have access to like 70% isopropyl alcohol, that's going to do wonders. Silicone itself is really hard to get off of surfaces unless you have like specialized silicone remover. That's verbatim what it's called. You need a special product for that. But anyway, that's really all you got to do. And then just firing a lot with like heavier BBs or just any BBs at all will probably eventually it will clear out a lot of the excess, and your accuracy will improve over time on the fault of the pistol itself rather than yours. So without a cleaning rod, that's my best idea. That's what I would do if I did not have a cleaning rod, although I have like 500 of them, so not everybody has access to those, like I said. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but that was the best method I can think of without using a cleaning rod. So that's really all I have for you guys today. Make sure that you're using 0.20 gram pellets. These do have a built-in hop-up, and 0.12s are just gonna, they're really gonna fly off in the wind, but then it'll lob 0.20s probably pretty well. I haven't target practiced with one of these in a long time, but that's just my opinion and my thoughts on this. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helps. Thanks to CROX for requesting, and I'll see you guys next time.